Welcome to this lesson on gravitational force in physics. Gravitational force is a force of attraction that exists between objects that have mass. In this lesson, we will build our understanding step by step, starting from what gravity is, and gradually moving to calculations and exam tips. Let us begin with the basic idea of gravity. Gravitational force is a force of attraction. It acts between all objects that have mass, not just large ones like planets. This means every object in the universe attracts every other object. Now that we know gravity is an attractive force, let us look at where we experience it most clearly. On Earth, gravity pulls objects toward the center of the Earth. This is why objects fall when they are dropped. The force of gravity acting on an object is what we call weight. Next, we will explore how gravity acts between different objects. Gravity does not only act between the Earth and objects. It acts between all objects that have mass, including people, cars, and planets. Objects with larger mass produce a stronger gravitational force. So in exam, do not say gravity only acts on Earth. This is a common exam mistake. Rather say it acts between masses. This naturally leads us to ask what factors affect the strength of gravity. The strength of gravitational force depends on two main factors. The first factor is the mass of the object. The larger the mass, the stronger the gravitational force. For example, Earth has a much larger mass than the Moon, so Earth's gravity is stronger. This is why astronauts weigh more on Earth and less on the Moon. Large planets like Earth can hold satellites in orbit, while smaller objects cannot. Now that we understand mass, let us add the second important factor. The second factor affecting gravitational force is distance. As the distance between two objects increases, the gravitational force becomes weaker. As the objects get closer, the gravitational force becomes stronger. This explains why gravity is strongest near large planets like Earth. Next, we will look at gravity in everyday life. Gravitational force affects our everyday life on Earth. It pulls objects towards the ground, preventing them from floating away. This is why when you drop an object, it falls straight down. Gravity allows humans to walk, run, and jump. When we jump, gravity pulls us back down to the ground. Without gravity, movement on Earth would be impossible to control. Gravity controls the movement of water on Earth. Rain falls from clouds to the ground because of gravity. Rivers flow downhill and waterfalls exist due to gravitational pull. Gravitational force is also important in space. It keeps planets moving in stable paths around the Sun. It also keeps the Moon orbiting the Earth. Gravitational field strength is different on different planetary bodies. On Earth, the gravitational field strength is 9.8 newtons per kilogram. While the Moon has a much weaker gravitational field strength of 1.6 newtons per kilogram, which is why astronauts can jump higher there. Mars has a gravitational field strength of 3.7 newtons per kilogram, which is weaker than Earth's gravity. While Jupiter has a very strong gravitational field strength of 24.8 newtons per kilogram because it has a very large mass. An object's mass stays the same, but its weight changes depending on the gravitational field strength. Different planets have different gravitational field strengths. Smaller planets have weaker gravity, so objects weigh less. Larger planets have stronger gravity, so objects weigh more. Let's take a moment to test your understanding of what we've covered so far. Please choose the correct answers to the following questions. You can pause the video if you need more time and also rewatch to answer the questions. In summary, gravitational force is a force of attraction between all objects that have mass. Near the Earth, this force pulls objects towards the center of the Earth, which is why objects fall downwards. The gravitational force acting on an object is called its weight. On different planets, gravity is different, so weight changes but mass remains the same. Thank you for learning with Acestudents. If you found this lesson helpful, be sure to check out our playlist for more videos. Every video includes evaluation questions to help you test your understanding. Our content is perfect for homeschooling, Google Classrooms, or private tutoring. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss a new science lesson.